Okay, so the name of my project is Red Light, Green Light. And basically, as a kid, I played the game Red Light, Green Light, and I thought it was like the most exciting game ever, running and stopping and running and stopping and running and stopping. It was the most favorite thing. I have no idea why. But my project, I can't say was as fun as Red Light, Green Light, but through the struggles, the battles, the blood, the sweat, I learned how to grow a plant. And so that's right, I'm going to take 5 minutes from your day, and I'm going to tell you about plants. You guys are so excited. I'm so ready to do this. Alright, so my problem was to see which plant would grow best under colored light. So I had 3 colored lights, which are red, green, and just normal fluorescent sunlight. And I ranked the green one A, the red one B, and the clear one Q. But I had another problem. See, I had no idea how to grow plants at all. My IQ for plants was so low that if it got any lower, I would be the one who had to get watered. Stuff like that. Yeah, it took me around 10 weeks to actually really get the project started. And after that, I had to really crunch it all in, yeah. So my hypothesis, which is right here, was that I thought the green light would grow a plant best because green, science, it's like Romeo and Juliet. I thought red light would grow second best, and I thought the clear light would grow least. And so, yeah, that was my hypothesis. My variables were pretty simple. I just had the colored light were my variables, and my control was non-colored light. Now my procedure, which I call the boring part, I basically took 3 1-liter soda bottles after a good night of partying. I coated one with red cellophane. One of them was already clear, and the other one was green, so I didn't have to coat those. I cut off the top of all 3 bottles and put soil into each of these bottles. And then I planted 3 seeds into each. As you can see from some of these pictures, it's not seeds, but that's what they look like. And I re-put on top, and I will water it every few days, because zinnia plants are really cool. If they're lazy, they're the perfect plant. You don't have to water it every day. Maybe every few days is pretty cool. And then I recorded it all into my handy dandy notebook over 8 weeks, and I put this together, and here we are today. For my results, a quick recap was I thought A would be better than B, and B would be better than Q, which was green, red, fluorescent. And that didn't really happen at all. My green plant only grew 7 centimeters, and in 8 weeks that's less than 1 centimeter a week, and it only has 7 leaves. So you can see my natural plant growing abilities in play here. Thank you very much. I then looked at the red one, which as you can see was like a mountain compared to the rest. It grew up to be 27 centimeters and it had 11 leaves, which was pretty impressive for myself. And then my second plant grew 2 plants into it, and they were 24 centimeters and 20 centimeters, and both of them had 9 leaves. You can see from the graphs here that green is always on the bottom, red is always at the top. Green is at the bottom, red is at the top, save for leaf and height. So my conclusion for this experiment was I'm a lot better at growing plants than I thought. Thank you, that's my, no, okay. I thought green would do best, obviously, but clear sunlight, which seems to have done adequately, seems to be the most reliable, I guess. And although colored light can have a benefit onto the plants, like you saw in the red, it also had a negative effect, in my opinion, on the green light, and that's not a good thing. So if you want to grow a more reliable plant, then you should go with clear sunlight. That's all.